Hi class, so this is what the live lesson was. I need you to please follow along. There are going to be 2 short videos of this. This is on the Sieve in the Sand here. Okay, so if you go into your Google Classroom and you go to the Sieve in the Sand worksheet for the week of March 6th through the 12th, okay, and you click on that, that is what you're going to be working on. So right now, what I want you to do is go to Google Classroom and click on your sheet, find your sheet, okay, and just take notes somewhere on the sheet, okay? So once you open this up, to take notes on this video, just so everything's in one place, okay? Just scroll down or put notes anywhere and just title it Notes. So for example, you could put it down here and you could say Notes from live lesson, and that would be where your notes are, okay? If you don't want to do that, that doesn't work for you, you're welcome to open a new Google Doc or write notes in a handwritten notebook. That's perfectly fine. I just want you to find a place somewhere to take notes. So that's what you're going to do. Okay, that's step 1. All right. And then step 2, I'm going to go over this with you. Okay, so by the end of the lesson, you will be able to describe and discuss characters accurately, describe and discuss the definition of a summary accurately, and summarize parts of the book accurately. So I realize this is what we did over the live lesson, but I'm going to discuss it as well with this recorded lesson. Here are your standards, okay, and here are the steps of the lesson. So we've been talking about Fahrenheit 451. As a matter of review, I'm going to discuss and describe the characters with you. Okay, so here are the steps. You did step 1, okay? Now we're going to review the book's characters. So what I want you to do in your notes is just jot down some thoughts about who is Montag. Montag is the main character. Okay, so describe him. Okay, what does he do? What does he do? Okay, you don't have to write it in complete sentences. In your notes, just jot down like what he does. Okay. All right, something like that. What does he do? Okay, and then I want you to answer this. So in your notes, just answer this in a complete sentence. So Montag is struggling emotionally with what? The fact that he used to do something and now he doesn't. What is he struggling with? He's done a complete 180 from the beginning of the book. So think about the train ride, okay? So just jot down, one sentence, what you think he's struggling with, okay? All right, and then just describe something about Clarice. Who was she? Just in a few words, who was she in your notes? Same with Mildred and then Faber. Okay, that's all you're doing in your notes. And then in your notes, you want to tell me, why does Montag reach out to Faber? Montag reaches out to Faber because what? He remembers what? Okay? All right, so that's what you're going to do in your notes, and you are going to keep those for yourself. Okay, I don't need to see them, but ladies and gentlemen, please do that, because it's going to help you a lot to not only remember the book, but to appreciate it. It's a classic piece of literature, and you're going to hear it referenced to for the rest of your life. Okay, just like, when you read To Kill a Mockingbird in school. Okay, and then, all right, so then that step is done, okay? In our live lesson, we did it together, all right? But like I said, you're doing that in your notes by yourself. Okay, third thing, review what a summary is and why we summarize. All right, and then the fourth thing, we're going to summarize the bottom part. these two steps we're going to do at the second video. Okay? So jot these down and then join in for the second video.